With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello dear students, here the question is an infinite number of electric charges each equal to 5 nanocoulombs are placed along x-axis at x equals to 1 centimeter, x equals to 2 centimeter, x equals to 4 centimeter, x equals to 8 centimeter, and so on. In this setup, if consecutive charges have opposite signs, then the electric field in nanocoulomb at x equals to 0 is. So here, according to the question, as infinite number of electric charges, each of charge equal to 5 nanocoulomb are placed along x-axis at x equals to 1, x equals to 2, x equals to 4, x equals to 8 centimeter, and up to, and so on up to infinity. Then in this setup we have to calculate the value of electric field. So here the resultant electric field E will be equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus up to so on. We know that the electric field is calculated by the formula E equals to 1 up Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. So by using this relation, E1 will be equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R1 plus Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R2 plus Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R3 plus up to so on. So here 1 upon or Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught can be taken as common. So in bracket it will be 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus up to so on. Now putting respective values here, the value of charge is 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 9, and the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 raised to the power 9 in bracket 9 into 10 raised to the power 9 in bracket 1 upon, actually it is Q divided by R square, so it will be R1 square, R2 square, R3 square. So it will be 1 upon R1 square, that is 1 centimeter 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 bracket square plus 1 upon 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 bracket square plus 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 bracket square plus up to so on. Now here it will be 9 into 5 45 into here 10 raised to the power minus 2 square, it will be 10 raised to the power minus 4. So 1 upon 10 raised to the power minus 4 can be taken as common. In bracket it will be 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 16 plus up to so on. So here by using the relation, as the series continues up to infinity, we know that S infinity will be equal to A divided by 1 minus R. So here the value of A is 1, so putting these values 45 divided by 10 raised to the power minus 4 in bracket 1 upon 1 minus minus 1 by 4. So it will be equal to 45 into 10 raised to the power 4 into 1 upon 1 plus 1 by 4. So it will be equal to 45 into 10 raised to the power 4 into 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 4. So 1 upon 5 by 4 will be equal to 4 divided by 5. So here 5 into 9, 45, 9 into 4, 36. So our final answer is 36 into 10 raised to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb. This is the value of resultant electric field intensity. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.